Good morning, Parrot Troopers. So today is a super exciting day because we get to meet the newest addition to our flock, and his name is Halifax. He's an umbrella cockatoo in his 20s, I believe. And I'm headed over to Parrot Partner right now, so we're gonna have the chance to meet him together for the first time. I decided to just hang out here with Halifax a little bit, and he wow, he tried to give me one of his pellets, and then he tried to push his foraging toy through the bars to give to me. Even if that's not what he was doing, I'm going to just believe that. Hi. He is just so precious. Oh, hi. You came to say hi? Say hi. Oh, hi! Oh my god, are you gonna dance with me? We're gonna dance together? Oh my god! What are you doing there? Oh, you're gonna give me your foraging toy. Thank you! Oh, thank you! That's so sweet! If you didn't know, now you know, I have a thing for the twos. But for some reason, the sulfur-crested cockatoos here aren't my biggest fan, and I cannot wrap... Hello! I cannot wrap my head around it. Hello! So, that was... We have 3 sulfur-crested cockatoos here, and hello! None of them really like me that much. It's just Crackers, Dusty, and now Halifax! You want one? Hey, Merle, what's your favorite? Oh no! Oh no! What happened? There you go!